Deep inside jungles live some of the planet's most powerful predators.
The jaguar is the dominant predator of the Amazon rainforest. Jaguars possess one of the strongest bites among all big cats. The green anaconda is the heaviest snake in the world. Anacondas overpower prey using powerful constricting muscles. Black caimans dominate many rivers deep within the rainforest. Caimans launch sudden attacks from beneath dark jungle waters. Piranhas hunt in groups using razor-sharp triangular teeth. These fish can strip prey within seconds during feeding frenzies. Electric eels produce powerful shocks to stun prey instantly. The harpy eagle is the apex predator of jungle skies. Its enormous talons capture monkeys and other tree animals. Leopards climb trees easily while hunting inside dense forests. Their camouflage helps them remain nearly invisible in vegetation. The king cobra is the longest venomous snake. Its venom quickly affects the nervous system of prey. Komodo dragons hunt using powerful jaws and venom. These giant lizards detect prey using an extremely sensitive tongue. Ocelots are agile hunters moving silently through dense forests.
Poison dart frogs carry toxins powerful enough to stop predators. Their bright colors warn predators about dangerous toxins.
African rock pythons overpower large prey using powerful coils. These snakes suffocate prey before swallowing them whole. The fossa is the top predator of Madagascar forests. It hunts lemurs with incredible agility among tree branches. Bull sharks can travel far upstream into freshwater rivers. They are among the most aggressive sharks in the world. Jungles hide many powerful predators within their dense shadows. The jaguar rules the rivers and forests of the Amazon. With explosive strength, it can ambush prey in seconds. Its bite force is one of the strongest among all big cats. Jaguars can even drag prey into trees to protect their meal. Unlike most cats, jaguars are exceptional swimmers. Every movement of the jungle is watched by this silent predator. Its stealth makes it almost invisible in the rainforest. When the attack begins, escape becomes nearly impossible. Speed and strength make it a deadly hunter. After the hunt, the king of this rainforest rests. In jungle rivers, another predator dominates. The saltwater crocodile has the strongest bite on Earth. Once caught, prey is dragged beneath the water. Sometimes the most dangerous predator is the one you cannot see. These ancient predators have ruled rivers for millions of years. Every ripple in the water signals potential prey. Patience is its most powerful weapon. The deadly death roll finishes the attack. In jungle rivers, survival depends on constant awareness. In the shadows of the jungle floor moves another predator. The anaconda is the largest snake in the rainforest. Instead of venom, It uses crushing strength.
It waits patiently for animals that come to drink.
In dense rainforest, it moves almost unnoticed. These snakes can grow over 6 meters long. Even large animals fear crossing these waters. It senses prey using chemical signals in the air.
Then it vanishes back into the dark water. The jungle is a battlefield of survival. And the most powerful predators rule this wild world.
These swamps hide some of the jungle's most powerful predators. High above the jungle, another powerful predator watches silently. The Harpy Eagle dominates the skies of tropical forests. With massive talons, it strikes prey with incredible power. Its talons are among the strongest in the bird world. Deep in Asian jungles lives the elusive clouded leopard. Its camouflage makes it nearly invisible amongst rainforest shadows. Few predators can climb trees as skillfully as this hunter.
In Asian jungles, the tiger is the ultimate predator.
Tigers rely on stealth, patience, and immense strength. Every step of this predator is calculated and silent. Tigers are also powerful swimmers when crossing rivers.
Strength and adaptability make them unstoppable hunters.
In Amazon rivers, the black caiman is another dominant predator. These reptiles possess tremendous jaw strength. Silent movement allows them to ambush prey easily. Beneath the surface, danger often remains hidden.
The jungle is home to many powerful hunters. Each predator plays a crucial role in this ecosystem.
Rivers and forests together create perfect hunting grounds. Rivers and forests together create perfect hunting grounds. Many predators remain unseen by those passing through.
Life in the jungle is a constant struggle for survival. Here, only the strongest predators rise to the top. The jungle will always belong to its most powerful predators.